The potential of artificial intelligence for humankind's future is astounding. Are you aware that a multi-modal AI system with a conversational agent to handle the human front end will replace a single AI model in the future? People see a hive of AI as a single unit. Moving further in the digital evolution, artificial intelligence may now be taught on the entirety of human knowledge. Thanks to AGI. This paves the way for future developments such as contextual understanding and the ability to combine numerous agents into a single entity. Welcome to your fascinating channel once again. We promise to keep you informed always. Let's begin. Q-Star, pronounced Q-Star, is an innovative technology developed by OpenAI that has captured significant attention and sparked debates due to its unique approach to advancing artificial intelligence. This algorithm offers promising opportunities and significant challenges in the quest for artificial general intelligence, AGI, which is expected to surpass human intelligence. It has the possibility to be a game changer. Let's delve into Q's definition, mechanisms, and implications. What data agent? Data agent is an AI-powered tool designed to provide quick conversational access to vital information from various sources. By integrating with a wide range of data sources, Data Agent allows fast and easy access to important data, offering precise results instantly while streamlining the data retrieval process. What can Data Agent be used for? Data Agent provides comprehensive, contextually accurate answers to searches across your data collection by integrating with a variety of data sources, including web links, Google Drive, Dropbox, SharePoint, and top CRMs. Data retrieval is made simple, interactive, and informative with Data Agent. What is Project Q-Star? Q-Star is an innovative program of OpenAI that uses cutting-edge techniques and tools to advance artificial intelligence. With its potential foundation in a new language model of the same name, the Q-Star project could revolutionize the field of generative AI and further our understanding of artificial general intelligence, AGI, and possibly artificial superintelligence, ASI. Since Q-Star is not officially documented, all talks and references to it rely on broad understanding of artificial intelligence and news reports, including this one from the Reuters news agency. Although the Q-Star model's purpose is yet unknown, rumors in the media suggest that it can solve elementary school arithmetic problems, which would be a big step toward artificial general intelligence. But it's important to emphasize the moral questions and possible effects on mankind that come with these kinds of developments. As reported by Reuters, the Q-Star model exhibits the capacity to resolve elementary school-level math problems. This is a crucial step, since solving math problems from first grade onwards involves not just the prediction abilities that contemporary AI systems are known for, but also the capacity for reasoning, analysis, and decision-making. How does Q-Star work? Experts believe that Q-learning, a kind of reinforcement learning algorithm, is the secret sauce of Q-Star technology. It differs from more conventional rule-based AI techniques because of this. Additionally, some academics hypothesize that it makes use of the search algorithm A. What is Q-Star learning? Through interaction with the environment, an agent can learn the best course of action by using a sort of algorithm called Q-learning. The primary objective of Q-learning is to teach the agent what to do in each state to maximize its overall reward over time. To achieve this, the agent picks up a Q value, which gauges the value or suitability of performing a specific action in a specific condition. The agent doesn't know anything about the surroundings at first. It makes decisions while interacting with its surroundings. It selects the most well-known actions based on the current Q values, or it experiments with novel actions to see what effects they have. The agent changes states and gets rewarded each time it performs an activity. Following, it uses the reward that was given and the maximum Q value of the following state to update the Q value for the prior state action pair. This update aids in the agent's learning of the long-term optimal course of action. Even if techniques like reinforcement learning and Q-learning have been known for a while, OpenAI is likely to use and represent them with updated developments and adaptations. The concept underlying the Q-star might be a synthesis of different methods and algorithms, such as RL and Q-learning, to produce a scalable implementation with remarkable outcomes. This novel strategy will enable the widespread application of these methods, giving robots the capacity to produce efficient solutions. How true is it that pupils perform arithmetic at the grade school level? What does it mean that an artificial intelligence system can't solve basic math problems? This is a significant development because if artificial intelligence AI can answer arithmetic problems, even simple ones, it can be educated to understand more sophisticated ideas in the future. Basic math facts that can be memorized give people a strong basis on which to study more complex mathematical concepts. The fact that Q-star technology can answer math problems is evidence of AI's increasing ability to perform cognitive tasks akin to those of humans. This is a big step toward building an artificial general intelligence, AGI, that can do a wide range of tasks at a level that is comparable to human ability. Present-day large language models, LLMs, are quite good at language tasks like text generation, summarization, and translation. On the other hand, they struggle greatly with arithmetic, reasoning, and strategic activities. While real artificial intelligence, AGI, is capable of general reasoning, which enables it to handle more complex issues and exhibit human-like abilities, its predictions are based solely on training data. Artificial General Intelligence and Q-star. A hypothetical AI system known as Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, demonstrates cognitive and intellectual capacities similar to those of humans. In contrast to existing artificial intelligence, AI systems, which are usually limited and specialized in particular fields, such language processing or picture recognition, Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, seeks to imitate human intelligence in general. It is believed that AGI is theoretically feasible. General intelligence is demonstrated by the human brain, which is used as the paradigm for artificial general intelligence, AGI. Numerous academics think that these cognitive capacities should be able to be replicated or simulated in artificial systems given the advancements in computational theory and neuroscience. Does Q-star pose a threat to humanity as an AGI? Q-star is a significant artificial intelligence discovery that pushes the boundaries toward artificial general intelligence, AGI, though the specifics of the technology are not disclosed. Stated differently, Q-star might potentially mark a theoretical advancement towards the development of AI systems possessing intellect and flexibility close to that of humans. Although reaching AGI is a desirable objective for AI research and is theoretically feasible, it is unclear if or when AGI will be accomplished. Q-star might show improvements in some cognitive activities, such as basic math problem solving, but it would be too soon to label it as AGI without knowing more about its abilities in other domains of cognition. Should Q be grown into an artificial general intelligence, AGI, with super-intelligent powers beyond human cognitive capacities, there could be grave concerns involved. Unintended outcomes, programming flaws, or misinterpretations of the system's goals could lead to harm even for well-meaning AGI systems. It will take international cooperation, proactive steps, to ensure that AI technologies are developed and implemented to maximize advantages while limiting threats to mankind, and policy creation to prevent the problems connected with AI technologies, such as Q-star. At the moment, Q-star seems to be a cutting-edge AI system targeted at particular tasks, including resolving elementary school-level math problems. It is not comparable to the degree of autonomy or general intelligence found in AGI. As a result, debates on Q-star's status as an AGI and the dangers it might pose to humans remain theoretical and conjectural. Large language models, however, can yield outcomes that are nearly rational when directed appropriately. In general, certain LLMs are not naturally adept at doing activities known as System 2 tasks, which call for step-by-step reasoning. By leading individuals through the reasoning process, chain of thought, COT prompting, has been shown to dramatically increase task performance. LLMs are capable of producing prose that seems cohesive and logical, but they frequently struggle to understand logical sequences or carry out multi-step computations with accuracy. Chain of thought prompts give LLMs instances that show the methodical reasoning needed to address an issue. COT prompting assists the LLM in comprehending and applying the logical stages required to arrive at the correct answer by outlining the reasoning process. Nevertheless, COT merely assists LLMs in gradually arriving at the right solution. Human reasoning is not present in LLM reasoning. Rather, they are using statistical correlations and learned patterns to simulate reasoning. Q-star will thus be a whole new system that is aware of what it is doing. Limitations and ethical concerns with OpenAI's Q-star. The long-running discussion about the dangers of building artificial intelligence is still very important. Concerns about artificial intelligence safety and ethics are becoming more crucial as the technology advances. In a letter to the board of directors, OpenAI researchers raised concerns regarding the potent new Q-star artificial intelligence program. This highlights how crucial it is to treat the creation of such extremely intelligent machines carefully. Greetings from our channel. Please use the like and subscribe buttons for additional videos if you like this one. Don't forget to switch on the notification bell to receive notifications when new videos are uploaded.